Oh my god. Oh, big shout out to my boys in the Philippines, bro. Yo, hell nah, bro. Hell nah. Yeah, I know that. I know that. I know that. Let's go into the computer shop, bro. Bro. Oh my gosh, I even got the beanstalk, grapes, and the pepper, bro. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh, nanonood daw ng Craycraft right now. W Philippines. Yo, I'm in Philippines. Yo, what this event, bro? Okay, this a DJ Jai, bro. DJ Jai has been released. Yo, wait. Yo, there's no sun. That's crazy, guys. Ang lamig ng ano ko. I'm so about the weather. Hey, 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 hey. Me too, bro. I feel crazy, bro. I mean, flip. Amber Lilios. Oh my god! This crazy update! Yo, I'm lagging, guys. I'm lagging, chat. I'm lagging, chat. Yo, I'm lagging. Tell me about the best yet stock weather events. Los Edens! Bro, I'm at 40, 44, bro. Yo, I got some disco there. I'm so excited to sign it, like, next week. So, biggest update yet. Yo, biggest update, man. Ten. Yo, bro. Oh, that's okay. I just got the Ember Lily, bro. Guys, I have the Ember Lily here, bro. Oh. Oh, someone left, bro. My cousin left. Oh my gosh, look how many disco, bro. Nah, bro, I will stay just here, bro. Yo, what's that? Guys, subscribe. I need to think I can run with this many players. Yo. Let's see the cosmetic, bro. Oh, I just buy this. hold him back, bro. Hold him back. They are holding me back. Oh my gosh. Guys, imagine I can run the jungle. No, bro. Neither can I. Let's see what our stuff. Yo, it's not my phone ring and he's yelling at me. No, yo, don't yell at him, bro. I'm watching Creekrop right now, bro. He's my idol, bro. Oh, God. Oh my gosh, guys, 30 million active. But they are gonna do it. Are they gonna do it, bro? Oh gosh. This shit, bro. Okay, di na. Pepper assist. Kakawas restock too, bro. Pepper and kakawas. My gosh! Bro, kinakabahan ako. Nanginginig ako. Siguro hindi ko muna ibebenta yan. Daming disco. Sheesh, disco. Guys, we're gonna be disco time. Oh my gosh, 3 Ember Lily, bro. Oh my god, also update I will. I'll give the cook. Ow! Okay. Nanginginig ako. Guys, manghintay kayo. Kinakabahan ako. So, yung first time naglaro ako nito na addict, I'm actually not very good, but now I'm very good because of Jandel, bro. Thank you, Jandel. Thank you. I have only just two cacao and just some bit of mushroom, like just, I don't know, 30. Yo, okay. Yo, let me know if it is. Yeah, bro. Nah, Creekrop is giving Robux, guys. /e dance. Yo, /e dance. Sheesh, bro, this This update is crazy. Only 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. Okay, like you said so. Kinakabahan na ako. Kinakabahan na ako. Gusto mo na sumigaw ka sa gabi na. Oh my gosh. 17 billion yung pera niya. O 17 trillion. RC stock. No good stock in the seed. Pero wala pa naman siyang atang Wag still, ang dami nagbibigay kay Grey Crop. Please come to office stock. Yeah, what? That stock. Pepper. Ember Lily. Ang daming Ember Lily. Chun 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 chun. Yo, Quick-Crop, what are you doing, bro? Why are you dancing with a horse? Raining tacos. I miss the raining tacos. But I'm on the sky. Dun, dun, dun. Meow, 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 meow. Yo guys, I finally got the turtle. You know what I'm saying, bro? It's kind of hard to me to get. Bro, I wish I had the red fox or raccoon, bro. The seed is going to be stolen. Yo, bro. Yo, and also we have a new sugar apple seed coming in 5 minutes. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, we have a new seed, bro! Oh, tarantula. Okay, take the tarantula. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup. Yo, the Debs is crying, bro. I can't believe it all, bro. 5 minutes away. I don't have a rainbow seed, guys. Probably we're going to Mars. What is saying, bro? Okay, Ember Lily. Bro, I can't believe. Bro, my money. That's okay, bro. That's okay. I'm so happy. Yo, look at how much I have been stuck. And Ember Lily. Oh, mushroom! Yes, I need the mushroom, bro. Yes, I'm saying I need the mushroom. Okay, great. I will make a jungle. Jungle. Oh my gosh. Yo, yes, that's the oldest ever. Yeah, sheesh, DJI. Yo, Quick-Crop, what are you doing, bro? Oh, it's uploading, guys. I can't believe the most crazy update ever. Yes! This is the most crazy update ever! This is a cool update, Jandel. show me the pet info. No, bro, I'm a chicken zombie, bro. Nah. Here comes the cook. Oh. Where's the cook? Oh. This must be here. Yo, where's the cook? Oh. Okay, I finally got it. Oh my gosh, I finally got it. You just got the cook old pet. Bro, pick up. Yo, wait, let me see this, bro. Yo, why I cannot view it, bro? Yo, what he do, bro? What cook all do? Yo, it's the cook all, bro. Yo, man, I'm so happy, bro. Yo, he's barbecue. Yo, rest in peace, cook all. At least you're alive, bro. Oh, I got 2 cook all, bro. Hell nah, bro. Okay. Jandel is crazy, bro. Jandel. Oh, the sugar. The sugar awful seed, bro. Yo, thank you, Jandel. I appreciate it, Jandel. Handle. Yung makita. Every 15 minutes, chance to cook a nearby fruit. Usually burn accessories, cook all active. Okay, this is a good pet. I see it in... Okay, I see it now. You cook all... Every 15 minutes, 15 chance to cook nearby fruit. Usually burn, but accessory cook all active gain. Okay, yo, thank you, W, Jandel, you're the best. I have 2, bro. Okay, sorry, Silver, bro. I will need to do this. Oh my gosh, you're a barbecue, bro. It's the biggest update. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna run. Okay, this select recipe. Bro. Let's see, bro. Have some godly, bro. Hell nah, bro. This, bro, this so fun. Bee and honey, bro. Anti-bee. Pack bee, yo, I don't have pack. Yo, quick up is paying to win. Oh wait, that, bro, I think that's his scam. Wait, let's grab some recipes. Let's grab some recipe, bro. Actually, I have many advanced, so we need a mango, bro. Yo, I don't have a dragon fruit. That's okay. Dragon. Shock dragon fruit, bro. Then mango. Mango. Frozen mango. Dragon fruit, guys. Yo, I'm so happy. Next, ano nga yung isa pa? Oh, wait, nawala na yung bear. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yo, no problem, bro. Please lower type planner. Increase size when running my planner. Okay, what's it? No sugar apple, bro. Yo, I'm so hype. Yo, that's so insane, bro. That's so insane. Yo, we just get like 100 million views, bro. 100 million. But it's not 15 million, yes. 15 million. 15 mil. Yo, I'm lagging. Yo, don't gamble, quick crop. Bro, quick crop is gambling. Select recipe. Then coconut. Wait, dragon fruit. Oh. Yo, W. Let me see my watering can, bro. Yo, how much is the sugar apple? Yo, let's see. I'm watching in Quick Up. So I can see it because I'm on the phone. 54. 54 tayo. 54k. That's not bad. I think it can beat the Candy Blossom or not. Okay, then the dragon fruit. Dragon. Yo, where's the dragon fruit? Oh, here you are. Yo. Then one coconut. One coconut. One coconut. The coconut nut is the giant nut. Coconut. Yo. There is the coconut. Yo. It's gonna use the admin abuse today. Yo, wait, return. Boom. 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 Start crafting. Yo, 1 hour, bro. Yo, can I? Bro, why? Can I leave? No. Oh. Should I want to do this? I need the Lumira or the honey. I don't have Robux, bro. I want Robux. Nocturne. Sun coil. I think I can do the sun coil. Oh no. Yo, it's all. But I can even do the. Oh, here's the seed. Here's the seed. There are the seeds that are in stock. Okay, there's no one working bee. It's so bust. Bro, Quick Crop is gambling, bro. Doing gamble, bro. Quick Crop is gambling. Bro, I'm not doing it, bro. Yo, let's see if we have the luck. Yo, I think I'm lagging. Ano nga yung pangalan nun? Ano nga yung pangalan nun, guys? Poly? No, wait, cut. Yes. Kind of fast, bros. Kind of fast. Okay, guys, that's it. So, if you enjoyed this, click like and subscribe. Bye.